Hi and welcome or welcome back. I'm George Pierce and this video is about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and this week you're going to get a whole lot more. A whole lot more. The gift is about Amazon and it's 5 FBA mistakes. The bonus is how to make money on Amazon by using YouTube and never having to make a video. And actually, it's a marriage of YouTube, Pinterest, and Amazon. I'm going to give you a link below, and that'll take you to the web page with all the information. And I'm going to take you to that web page in just a moment. Before we go there, I just want to remind you that this channel is about helping you to make money online and grow a YouTube channel. If those are of interest to you, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell right now, and therefore YouTube will let you know when these videos are published. So let's get right to it.
Well, I've taken us to the web page where you'll find more information and Amazon training and 5 FBA mistakes, my weekly giveaway. And my weekly giveaway is 5 FBA mistakes that most new FBAs make, and 5 Amazon FBA mistakes that you must avoid. And I do want to share with you that it is a free download. There's no strings attached. And included in the giveaway is not just an ebook. So you can use this for your own benefit, of course, but also there's an e-cover, there's images, there's a squeeze page, a thank you page, and the reason is that resale rights are also included. So you can use this particular giveaway, as an incentive, as a bonus, or you can even sell it and keep all the money. Amazon is a brilliant service for small businesses and entrepreneurs that want to start selling large number of products direct to consumers. The service makes things so easy that you can set up your successful business without ever laying eyes on the product. But that's also the issue. In many ways, Amazon FBA makes setting up your business too easy, which means it's easy to make mistakes and to come unstuck. With this guide, what you're going to discover are 5 big mistakes that you definitely want to avoid. In addition, what you're going to be getting is Amazon training. And I'm going to show you how to promote Amazon products on YouTube and never make a video. So I'm not going to cover this in its entirety, but basically I'm just sharing one particular product with you, an Amazon product, and there are literally millions of products, of course. And I show you how to go about acquiring other people's videos that you can use to sell your products and that you can use legally. I show you how you go about doing that, as well as how you download them with a free tool called Free Download Manager, how you check out the keywords and come up with keywords that are considered to be very good, how to make cold brew coffee at home, easy, and so on. So there's some information, and I tell you basically, I kind of break it down step by step as to what you need to do, as well as exactly what I've done. And also get into the fact that I recommend that you create 30 pins or more, and a pin might look something like that. And the idea is that when they click this, of course, they're going to go to your video using 3 of the best sites on the internet. And then I also share with you a bonus tip, and the bonus tip is essentially how you use trending, and I'm very passionate about I strongly emphasize that you learn about trending, because it's really going to help you to kind of stay a step ahead of other people and to get closer to what I call closer to the money. So you can find out exactly what's trending, what are people buying. This is from Pinterest, and I'll also share with you how you can use Google Trends. As I mentioned, there is a link below to this web page, as well as a video about this, and how you can also use tools like Keyword Explorer and Uber Suggest And then here's an example of another pin, how to automate pinning free. Click for free video. And the idea is you want your pin to jump out. So I invite you to click the link below, and in a matter of minutes, we're going to turn you into an Amazon expert. But that's, of course, is not correct. But what is true is the fact that you will have a path that you can follow, and the path has been proven to work, and so it should work for you.
So that's my weekly giveaway. I've also made a video about Amazon, how to make $100 a day on Amazon by using Amazon, YouTube, and Pinterest. It follows the same format. So I'm going to leave a link below to that as well, so you can watch that video as well as review the web. If you're looking to make money online, can't promise you anything. I wish I could, but this works. It's worked for me. It's worked for thousands of other people, and the timing is incredible. The extra tips that I share with you, such as trending and keywords and so on, are going to be able to separate you from the crowd, and that's what you have to be able to do, and that's how you make the money. I'm going to ask you to do me a favor. If you like this video, please hit that like button right now. I do want to thank you. I appreciate it. I thank you for watching, and allow me to wish you much success.